Nachdem die grundlegenden Einstellungen getroffen worden sind,
continue with the Connect tab
würde ich vorschlagen, dass wir im Connect-Reiter beginnen.
To do so, we click on the Connect tab, which will give you an overview of the connected devices. As already mentioned, we have a small test system here, which consists of 3 remote units and 9 local units. They are shown in an alphabetical order, if they already have names. We differentiate between local and remote units, and you also can see how many devices are active and how many are offline since the last time, due to whatever reason. In general, the users connect themselves over the OSD, but as an administrator, you also can connect devices and you can overrule them if necessary. To connect devices, just click on the desired local unit and then click on the remote unit you want to establish the connection with. Active connections will be shown blue on the remote side, inactive ones are yellow. Additionally, you can see some options like video, USB, sound and RS-232. Depending on the configuration you need, it's possible to change how the devices are getting connected. This is something you usually do one time after the system initially got installed, but you can change it anytime, of course. For example, you can choose if you want to connect both videos of a dual device or only one of them. You also can choose which USB mode you want to use, and it's also possible to activate or deactivate sound or RS-232 depending on your needs. Please note that the settings have to be made on both sides, the local and the remote unit. They need to be identically, and you also need to do the settings before you connect the devices. Additionally, you have a small info button, which will show you the basic informations like the ID, the name, what kind of device it is, and its firmware version. For troubleshooting, there is also a refresh button. So if one of the devices seems offline or the status is unknown, you can click on this button and the switching manager will search for the device. There is also a search field where you can search for individual devices. For example, I will search for a device with the number 9 in its name. This will bring up all the devices with the number 9 in its name.